In this video, I'm gonna tell you why you're gonna waste tons of money ordering samples from different manufacturers you found online and ending up pulling your hair out. Now, I know that you are working on your handbag brand and that is time is very valuable to you. That's why I'm gonna go straight into it and tell you what is the one and only thing that's gonna cost you your whole sampling budget if you didn't pay attention to it. So you better stay with me. Generally speaking, when you want to create your own handbag brand, first thing you would do is start searching for manufacturers. Probably gonna need to chat with them, show them your design and see if they can make it. You're probably gonna need to check with them what kind of leather they work with and what are their sampling process and budget. And based on all that, you would decide if you wanted to move forward with them or not. And if it's the case, you're gonna order your first sample. 1 month later, knock in the door, you get the package, you open it, and damn, the shape has nothing with what you wanted it to be. The leather looks like plastic. Probably the hardware is screaming, cheap! Okay, not a great experience. Couple €100 already gone, and the sample just looks nothing with what we actually wanted it to be. So what would you do? Would start searching again, and boom, you find another manufacturer. Yay! And you order another one. Yay! You wait for a couple of weeks again, probably a month, and then one day, again, a package arrived to the door. You open it. It's even worse than the first one. What is going on here? We literally saw all these bags that were made by this manufacturer. They all looked great. Even most of the clients' feedback were very good. So what is the problem? Ladies, I know this is gonna hurt you. But the problem is you. Yeah. Just as you heard. And I'm gonna explain what I mean. Remember when we first started and we said that you actually shared the design with the manufacturer in order to get him to understand it and see if he can do it, right? Now I just wanted to ask you some questions. You. I just wanted to ask you some questions related to that. So I want you to pause in every question and think. Probably write me in the comments your answer. What exactly is the information that you shared with your manufacturer about your design? So if I'm getting this right, you probably sent him a file, right? Please tell me yes. Okay, question number 1. Did this file include any technical drawings of the actual bag you wanted to produce that has at least 4 to 5 sides of the bag's drawings? Front, back, side, top open, top close probably, and the bottom. Now I'm in 6 sides. Please tell me that at least 4 sides of the technical drawings were attached. No? Next, did you precede the leather type? Is it top grain, full grain, genuine leather, or PU probably? Did this file includes a tech pack that has a specification sheet detailing the constructions, the finishings, the cuts, the shape of the bag? What about the finishes? Are they edge painted, burnished, or dyed? What about compartments? Is your bag have any? If yes, how many? Are they zipped or not? If they have pockets? If yes, what kind of pockets? In the bag itself, is there any pockets? Zipped or not? What are their sizes? Is there any signature tag you wanted to add? Inside or out? In which material? Which size? Oh, you want to add a golden logo outside? Is it gonna be done using embossing or debossing technique? Or mostly a 3D hardware logo? If yes, what are their dimensions? Where exactly we should put it starting from the edge of the bag? And which edge are we talking about exactly? Wait a minute, have you even shared the measurements of the bag? Wait, what? Height, width, and depth? You know what your problem is? You believe that just because there is a certain bag idea that you saw online, that it has been done before, you assume that the moment you will share a picture that has that bag with the manufacturer or the people you are working with, they would get it immediately as you saw it, without having to explain anything about that design. And let me tell you this, the manufacturer that made your first sample is probably not that worst at all. In fact, I bet that he can offer a premium product to other clients, but not to you, even if you paid a lot of money for it. Believe me or not, you cannot blame him. Why? Because the only difference between you, my friend, and the other client who was very happy in the feedback section is that she provided a full, organized, and professional tech pack that includes every detail he could ever need in order to get exactly the design she has in mind into a sample. And don't get me wrong, I know that you as a young handbag designer might not have all the technical knowledge to create that file. And this is totally normal. But the truth is, there is absolutely no way you can actually get him to understand what you want without a professional guidance. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that it's okay not to have the knowledge to do it yourself, but what is not okay is to choose not to do it and expect your first sample to be perfect. So either you will have to choose to stop your project and start learning about bag making just to create your tech packs and then go ahead and move forward in the project, or you can find a professional that's gonna do it for you. And trust me, there is nothing in between. Now, to help you understand what you should actually include in your handbag tech pack so it can speak the language of your manufacturer, I created for you a specific video where I explain to you exactly how to do it and what are the information that you should include just right here. And I can guarantee that it's gonna be super helpful for you as a handbag designer. You will not regret it. Just click.